Hi everyone. Today in this quick tutorial, we will learn how to bring back Ask before closing multiple tabs in Edge browser. As you can see that my browser is getting closed without any notification with so many tabs. So, let's do it. Come to Edge. 3 dots. Then Settings. At the left side. On Search. Just type Ask before. It will bring you to the results, and at the top you can find this Ask before closing window. Simply enable it. Now, if I try to close it. Yeah, it's asking for the confirmation dialog. And this is how you can bring the confirmation back in Edge browser. Hope it helped you. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.